Hi guys, how are you doing today? दोस्तों, my name is Goela and I'm an investor and trainer in stock markets. I teach you how, what, when, where and when of stock markets. मैं आपको बताता हूँ how can you and how will you achieve your financial freedom. So दोस्तों, I am very lucky because I get to interact with a lot of new people and tell a lot of people कि अच्छा है, why is investment mandatory? अगर अमीर होना है तो इन्वेस्टमेंट क्यों करना जरूरी है? मैं सबको बताता हूँ. तो काफी लोग करते हैं, काफी लोग का एक क्वेश्चन होता है और ये बहुत कॉमन रेकरिंग है. मुझे फ्री गाइडेंस मेल में भी इसके बारे में काफी क्वेरीज आ चुकी हैं. एंड दैट क्वेरी इज, सर आई डोंट हैव मनी, मैं क्या करूं, पैसे नहीं इन्वेस्ट क्या करूं? आई नो द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ स्टॉक मार्केट बट आई डोंट हैव मनी. हो सकता है आप उस सिचुएशन में और हो सकता है योर फ्रेंड इज इन दैट सिचुएशन. सो बी श्योर टू शेयर दिस वीडियो विद हिम. सो टुडे लेट्स डिस्कस, एनालाइज एंड फाइंड अ सॉल्यूशन to how to invest in stock markets with zero money. Are you ready? Let's go. Now when you tell me कि आप stock market में invest नहीं कर सकते because आपके पास पैसे नहीं हैं, then दोस्तों 98% of the times you are lying to yourself. It's a statistical fact. Out of 100%, only 2% people actually face the financial problem. 98% की problem क्या है? They are failing at money management. 98% लोगों को you don't need to save, you need to manage money. So first we're going to find a solution for the 98%. Second we're going to target and find the solution for the 2% of the people. Now first category, how to manage money. And these tips are very very important, how to manage money. And even if you are investing in stock markets, if you take these tips how to manage money, trust me, you'll be shocked and surprised that 10 to 12% of your income will actually be saved. Now we need to realize that to manage money is very difficult in our times. हमारे पेरेंट्स के लिए वो आसान था बट हमारे लिए बहुत डिफिकल्ट है. Why? Because all the time we are being sold things. चाहे हम ट्रैवल कर रहे हो, चाहे हम इंटरनेट पे हो, चाहे हम कहीं भी जा रहे हो, कुछ भी कर रहे हो, मूवी देख रहे हो, ऑल द टाइम आप पे एड्स थ्रो करते रहेंगे. एंड ये साइकोलॉजिकली हमें तो अफेक्ट करते हैं ना कि हमें कंफ्यूजन हो जाता है कि ये हमारी नीड है या ग्रीड है. और कितनी बार थिंग्स वी डू नॉट नीड दैट आर अ ग्रीड, वी स्टिल बाय देम थिंकिंग इट्स अ नीड. So what are the 4 factors today that affect our judgment and 4 factors today that we should keep in mind to do much better money management? Point number 1, discounts, coupons and window shopping. Yes, discount apps, coupon apps, discount offers, window shopping is the most dangerous one out of the lot. Most dangerous one of the lot. I'll tell you why. A friend of mine, 55-inch का LED TV, 55-inch का LED TV that cost him about 40,000, जिसकी MRP goes for 40,000. In a e-commerce website में on a sale, it was selling for 21,000. 40,000 to 21,000. What did he do? He bought it. Second situation, a lot of my friends, इनके पास कूपन एप्स होती है, तो बोलता है अरे इस रेस्टोरेंट में 30% ऑफ है, चलो, अरे यहाँ पे तो 1+1 चल रहा है, चलो. क्या है आपने किया है? आई नो you've done this. होता क्या है? We have all these apps on our phone, new offers keep showing up, we keep scrolling, we keep doing window shopping and automatically we buy it. Now think about this, if that discount coupon was not there, would my friend have bought that television? No. If that coupon was not there, would you have gone to that restaurant? No. If you were not window shopping or scrolling अपनी e-commerce website से, क्या आप वो सामान खरीदते? नहीं. तो आप देख रहे हो, दिस इज क्रिएटिंग योर नीड, दिस इज नॉट योर नीड, इट इज क्रिएटिंग अ नीड. एंड इन दिस सिचुएशन एंड डिस्काउंट्स यू एंड अप बाइंग द डील, नॉट द प्रोडक्ट. माय फ्रेंड बॉट द टेलीविजन क्योंकि उसको डील इतनी अच्छी लगी. प्रोडक्ट उसके पास ऑलरेडी था बट ही बॉट द डील, नॉट द प्रोडक्ट. पॉइंट नंबर 2, सब्सक्रिप्शंस. नाउ वी लिव इन अ एरा जहां पे हम सब्सक्रिप्शन लेते हैं. हमारी जिम की सब्सक्रिप्शन है, इंटरनेट की सब्सक्रिप्शन है, टीवी की सब्सक्रिप्शन है, देन ऑनलाइन स्ट्रीमिंग मूवीज की सब्सक्रिप्शन है, देन ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग वेबसाइट्स की सब्सक्रिप्शन है और बहुत सारी सब्सक्रिप्शन हम लेते हैं. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, तो हार्वर्ड में स्टडी की थी, दिस इज अ मच बेटर वे टू मार्केट एंड अर्न मनी फॉर द कंपनीज. Why? You'll actually see half of the subscriptions you don't even use. Gym subscription, number 1 example. Now when you go to the gym, you'll think कि नहीं साल का बहुत सस्ता है, महीने बहुत महंगा. You will go for the annual option. But what possibility is there that you'll go all 365 days? None. You will see in many cases, you will find it cheaper to go gym on a daily basis. It is more effective. ठीक है? In internet subscriptions, you'll always see हमारी tendency है to over subscribe to everything. So make sure you check your subscriptions. Point number 3, electronics. Now I get it guys, देखो आपको भी गैजेट चाहिए, मुझे भी गैजेट चाहिए, गैजेट इज नेसेसिटी. बट don't buy the latest gadget if it is not your urgency. Suppose you want to buy a phone और आपको फोन आपका 10,000 के फोन से काम चल रहा है, do not go and buy a flagship phone. आप एक फोन कम ले लो, आईफोन का बेस्ट मॉडल मत लो, आईफोन का बेस्ट मॉडल -1 ले लो. होगा क्या, you will best model पे you will be paying the premium price for it, but when you take -1 you won't be paying the premium for it. और अगर ऐसा कोई फीचर आ रहा है और something which you actually need in the latest model, then go for it. But again, identify between your need and your greed. उसको differentiate करना बहुत जरूरी है. And point number 4, addictives, cigarettes, alcohol, main culprits. Now I am not entering the argument कि cigarettes or alcohol is a good thing or not thing or health wise, उस debate में जा नहीं रहा. All I am saying that these things are luxury. First you complete your necessities, then you complete your investments, then you go on to your luxury. Smoking and drinking habits are luxury. I get it. हो सकता है कुछ लोगों का habits सही है, शौक के लिए करते हैं, fun के लिए करते हैं. That's okay. I'm not judging anyone on those. But make sure आपके पहले 2 criteria fill हो, तब आप वो करो. I know so many people who do not invest, but who spend so much money on cigarettes, who spend so much money on partying. Don't be one of those people. Right? So these are the 4 points. Money management key. Make sure you apply it in your agenda. You make sure you apply it in all the things you spend on. And trust me, 10 से 12% of money will be saved. So that was the problem to manage money. That was the problem of 98% of the people. Now let's come to the 2% of the people जिनके पास actually पैसा नहीं है. Now situation क्या है? There's a Robert Kiyosaki. He's the author of Rich Dad Poor Dad. Now I'm a big fan of him. Now I read his interview and he said that for people who don't have money should always work on OPM. OPM. OPM stands for other people's money. So if you don't have your money, invest other people's money. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? If your father is investing, get involved in his portfolio. If your friend, if your mama, your chacha, anyone is investing, make sure you get in touch with him, or you can get an opportunity to assist them with their portfolio, right? Or you can collect 4-5 your friends. You can take 500 from each. You'll get a corpus of 2-3,000. You can invest that money. तरीके बहुत हैं, बहुत तरीके हैं, बहुत avenues हैं. It just depends on your will to act on it. Simple. So if you don't have money, 90% of times money management. If you really don't have money, which is 2% of the cases, work on OPM, other people's money. And trust me, बहुत sources मिलेंगे, right? That was it for today. हमारा newsletter subscribe करना मत भूलना. उसमें on a monthly basis we keep telling you the latest things that are happening in stock markets, in the world of finance, to make sure that you are completely and always updated with the news. Be sure to watch our free session. बहुत मेहनत की है. Tell me how you like the free session. कैसा लगा, कैसा नहीं लगा. Extra topics you want me to take the video on, नीचे बताइएगा. Next video I'll be taking is on what are the best stock market courses that you should do. Next video मैं उस पर शूट करूँगा. So if you have any questions in that specifically, मुझसे आप लिंक पे जरूर पूछना. This is Goela School of Finance, financially empowering you.